ng mga business forum, magkakandak rin po tayo ng inbound mission. So yung mga investors na nakuha na natin yung interest nila, may mga delegations sila na nagpupunta naman sa Philippines to assess the Philippines na as an investment location. So parang next step na yun. At dahil nakuha na natin yung interest So, katulad ng pagbibili kayo ng bahay, di ba, bago kayo bumili ng bahay, titignan nyo muna yung bahay. So ngayon, sa foreign investors, ganun po ang ginagawa nila pag inbound mission na. Titignan nila ang Pilipinas if it's really a good location. So yun po basically yung ginagawa natin aside from yung ginagawa rin po ni President, yung mga presidential visits po niya. Kasi ang number one salesman po talaga ng Philippines is the President. So para po sa BOI, yung mga presidential visits are also a good way to promote the Philippines as an investment location. So far po, from 2022 up to sandali po up to April, ang ating generated investments. So from July 2022 to April 2024, we have a total of 2.368 trillion pesos of generated investments. So that is comprising 587 projects with